Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're going to move gently and easily together. If you like doing yoga with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start moving softly. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From standing, bend forward halfway with a straight spine, hands on shins or thighs, head aligned with spine. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. From all fours, slide one arm under the body, resting gently on the shoulder and cheek. Repeat both sides. From the seated position, reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left, feeling a stretch along your side. Switch sides. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, let knees fall open. Arms resting softly by your sides or on your legs. Lie on your back with the legs extended long and arms stretched overhead like a full body morning stretch. Let's stay here and take slow, gentle breaths together. Feel your body resting on the mat, breathing in calm and breathing out slowly. You did an amazing job today. Your body moved so gently and calmly. If you enjoyed this yoga flow, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.